If we can win it, it's going to be something, you never forgot about that game, and if we can win it, that's going to be great for the club, for the players, for the supporters, for everyone in the team.
If you look at those 4 trophies behind you, what do you think?
We want to get the 5th one. Obviously they look well, the 4 of them, but it'd be nice to go and win the 5th one on the 25th, and all the boys are preparing well and we can't wait for it.
When you think of Liverpool and European Cup history, what images come to your mind?
We're local lads as well. We've had all the, the history and the stories of the past, and we're, determined to make our, this could be our chance of our own history and stories to tell ourselves on the probably after dinner speaking in years to come. But I mean, I think we've all seen the images. Phil Thompson, Emlyn Hughes, and Graham Souness. Lifting those trophies, and as I said, we, desperate for Stevie to do the same.
I'm just desperate to lift it. I mean, from a selfish point of view, I want to join the fellas who Jamie's just mentioned, but it's not about me, it's about the team, and as he said, the team's got a great chance to make history. This might be...
Yeah, that's it.
In goes the free kick and the shot comes in, and it's in! Milan have scored! A goal in 50 seconds from Milan! Would you believe it? It's Paolo Maldini. That must be one of the quickest goals in the final of the Champions League. And it's all gone wrong in the first minute. It's a wretched, wretched start for Liverpool.
Liverpool could be stretched again, and it's Shevchenko inside the penalty area.
He's got Crespo in support. Go Shevchenko crosses, it's 2-0.
Crespo, from close range, has doubled Milan's lead.
It's Liverpool 0, AC Milan 2, and this final is over. Look at that from Kaká.
Carragher can't get there.
And what a pass too for Crespo. Crespo's through, this could be 3-0, and it is 3-0. And what a goal that is.
And it's going from bad to worse.
And Milan now playing football out of this world. Nobody can live with this. Well, this is just absolutely awful for Liverpool. Another opportunity from Risa. In towards Gerrard! The goal from Steven Gerrard of Liverpool! Captain's goal!
Let's give us something for the fans to show about.
Here we go! Still time maybe for the impossible to happen here. A man 25 yards out, doesn't shoot, but Smith's alive! It's in! It's in! All the way from Vladimir Smeca! Miracles are possible!
And oh my goodness, do we have a game now?
Step up, Xabi Alonso.
This to equalise.
Yes, equalise for Liverpool.
Come on, Xabi.
Alonso misses, but Alonso puts in the rebound. And Mission Impossible is accomplished. Oh, what a save!
Great save! Oh, it's cleared away!
What a save from Shevchenko by Jerzy Dudek. How did he keep that out? Astonishing. Andrei Shevchenko, the European Footballer of the Year.
The star man in the Milan side must score.
He must score. He saved it! Dudek saves for Liverpool!
And Liverpool have won the Champions League!
This is amazing. Can you believe it?
Oh, I don't believe it. I just don't believe it.
Once a European champion, always a European champion. And at 1:15 this Thursday morning in Istanbul, Liverpool are champions of Europe.
It's Liverpool's night.
Liverpool have their hands on the European Cup again, and this time it's for keeps.
There are places I'll remember all my life. Though some have changed, some forever, not for better. Some have gone, and some remain. All these places have their moments. With lovers and friends, I still can recall. Some are dead, and some are living. In my life, I've loved them all.
But of all these friends and lovers, about them. In my life, I love you more.
Though I know I'll never lose affection for people and things that went before. I know I'll often stop and think about them. In my life,